Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. I have Freesia today. I really love this material. It's from IFF. It's called Freesia Floor and Florif because it's from IFF, so it ends in IFF. And it actually is one of the beginning first materials that I ever got. And I'm glad I did because it is one of those things where I'm like, oh my God, I've never smelled anything like this. This is amazing. This is flowers. And when I first started, when I smelled, I'm like, it smells like flowers. That's amazing. Oh my God. What I could not detect, that I detect now because of training the nose, is all of the green. There's so much green in here, and I just never detected like the green that's in here. And I can also detect um, phenyl ethyl acetate, linalool, ethyl linalool, like some lemon essential oil. Yeah, I can pick out those materials in here because this is like their Freesia Accord, and they describe it as like the living Freesia flowers. And I have smelled living Freesia flowers before, and I don't know if I don't know. I didn't smell that much from the live flowers, and maybe they, yeah, I don't know. I didn't. I couldn't smell much of anything from the real flowers. This, however, does smell like fresh, what I would think to be freesia flowers. But it's just interesting that now I smell more. I smell different things. This is 48 hours on the test strip, so this lasts a really long time. This will go beautifully in any floral fragrance that you do. It's a little, to me, powerful, so you don't need much at all to make a difference in an entire formula. And there is just a fresh floral. It doesn't go in the rose direction, and it absolutely can be used with rose. It doesn't go in the jasmine direction, but it could absolutely be used with jasmine. It doesn't. There are some lily of the valley materials in here, probably like mayol and lyrol. And I actually do get a little bit of magnolia, like a tiny bit of magnol. But my point is that it can go with any florals, and it's kind of taming down now a little bit, but it is radiant. They may even use that word, and I would use that word like sparkly, radiant. There's top notes in here, but there are heart notes in here as well. And I am going over Freesia Florif because I really like it a lot. I would not necessarily use this as the primary floral unless I was using it in, God, I hate these terms, in a masculine or a more like what a typical guy would want. If I were using it in that type of fragrance and I wanted floral just in the background and just a hint of it, you could absolutely use this because there's that citrus in the background that will blend in with your citruses. And this is not like a pink florally note. This has some of that green in there, but it also has that sparkle, and this would go beautifully with wood. Very versatile, and I still absolutely love this, and that's why I want to present it to you, is because I really do love it still to this day, and it's one of the very first that I ever got. So I hope that is helpful for you. I appreciate you being here, and yeah, let me see if there's one other thing I would, I think it would be really, really awesome if you got rose and jasmine at the same levels, created them with where they're leveled out to be pretty equal, and then you had underneath that a little bit of the Freesia Florif in there. Those three together would be really nice, where this is your background of the rose and jasmine. So hopefully that gets your creative juices flowing and gets you to start thinking and how you might use this as well. So I appreciate you so much for being here and your kind support. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, click the like button. That helps the YouTube algorithm to help people find me. And so I appreciate that. That would be helpful. And I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Have a good day.